Hello everybody, and here is System General Multi-Apro number 3 reassembly check. These are just going to be quick tests to verify that the programmer is functional. That is all I'm offering them as functional. I'm going to power this one up. It powers up. I'm going to launch WinMA. And I'm going to connect. Takes a while to connect. This is a level 2 unit, but it's performing the self-test. You'll see the lights blinking. Testing the DRAM. It's what takes a while. I'm going to do the same checks. I'm going to read from one of the masters and program a brand new blank. And that's all the tests I'm doing. And I will put it back together and list it on eBay. I am not sure if I'm going to list them as pairs or individuals yet. We'll see how that works out. I will eventually put the eBay link in the description if you're interested in one of these. So as soon as it's done testing the DRAM, we'll get on with the program. Then I got some errands to do, and then I will put this back together and do another follow-up tomorrow on testing this one. That'll be all 4 reassembled checked. I do have a bunch of adapters, HSP, and their sockets listed on eBay. That link will also be in the description. Okay, this one is a socket 1. I'm not sure what the level 2 means, but 1827. So I'm going to print that. 1827. So yes, this has 100% confirmed that the scratched numbers on the EEPROMs that I backed up were the machine info. So we're going to hit OK. We have 27C256. It's loading. Okay, it's ready. This is drop a chip in there. We're going to read from the master. Read from the master. Checksum looks right. CF1F, and Cotty's being annoying over here. We're going to take a brand new one. We're going to program it. Can you see that? Hit program. Program from DRAM. It's blank checking, programming, verifying. And we passed. Going to bring up our little pie chart and the statistics. 1 of 1. Verify that just for sanity. And now we're counter up to 2. So that was testing of the 3rd System General Multi-Apro programmer. Catch y'all later.